video, I will explain about the logic and the coding for developing the Cipher Guess Game. There are 4 topics in this video that I will explain. Firstly, which is introduction, app, flowchart, and coding. Second is how the app uses Cipher Guess method. Thirdly, how the app accommodates the scenario in assignment. And lastly, how the app generates randomly a word or a sentence. Enjoy! Game or application. This is the algorithm. Flowchart. This is the game app. This is the Python coding. This video will show you how I implement this logic to the Python coding. I'll focus only on the Cipher logic, which is using Cipher. As you can see on the flowchart, this is the main programs, and these two are the sub-programs. To show you how the app accommodates the scenario defined in assignment 1. Let's open the assignment. Have a look at the requirement there on the assignment. Number 1. Write down the alphabet from A to Z. In the coding, I created a variable called alphabet. Let's find this in the variable in the Python coding that I have created. So this is the variable alphabet for characters A to Z. However, I ignore the lower characters, so I capitalize all characters of the message by using upper function. Let's find this function. Have a look at line 26. Let's go back to the assignment. Number 2. Pick a number from 1 to 25. If you use 26, you will just wind up with the original alphabet. This number is your key. The app accommodates this scenario by providing a spin box. Let's have a look at the interface app. By using this spin box, the user can select the key of the Cipher. Let's go back to the assignment again. Number 3. Shift the entire alphabet by the number you pick and write it down below your original alphabet. I implemented this scenario by adding the key to the original position of character in alphabet. So the Cipher position equals key plus original position. Let's find the Python coding for this formula. As you can see, the formula is on line 140. Let's go back to the assignment again. Number 4. Pick a message to write to your friend. It might be the easiest to start out with a simple message like a single word or phrase before you try longer sentences or paragraphs. I implement this scenario by providing a difficulty level. Have a look at this interface. Okay everyone, that is how the app that I created accommodate the scenario defined by assignment. Bye bye. Hello, let's learn the logic of how the app uses Cipher method. I will give you a simulation of playing the game. On the flowchart, the app will generate a word for the players. As you see in the interface, the message is now UCSSG. And then let's say the player select the key 2 as you can see here. Now the player will guess what the chapter is. If you see here, the message is UCSSG and the key is 2. So that is implementation of the flowchart steps: generating word, selecting key, and guessing the chapter. Now if the player click this button, and then the app will be doing this define function, which is checking the answer. The define function of checking answer in Python can be seen on line 118. So, have a look at the flowchart on checking answer column. First step, the app will be finding the character position in alphabet. The Python code for finding the character position can be seen at line 91 by using define function called find the order. It means that the position of U is 21. It means that the chapter position is 23 because the key is 2, so 2 plus 21 is equal to 23. The Python code for finding the chapter position can be seen at line 147. Then the app will find the chapter character based on the chapter position. So, the chapter character for 23 is W. All the chapter characters will be concatenated to all chapter. This process will be looped until the length of the message. Then the app will check whether the all chapter is the same with the guess. Let's say the player typed the guess, which is W E double U double E. E. I copy paste this answer to the app. So in the flowchart, we can see if the guess is correct, then the score will be increased. If the guess incorrect, then the score will be decreased. Let's click to check the answer. Wow, that is right. Done. That shows how the app used the Cipher chipset. Bye. Bye. Now to see how the game app works, I want to explain the logic of the app and its coding. As the algorithm flowchart shows, in the main column, the app will generate a word or a sentence randomly and automatically based on the text files. In the interface app, you can see this blue text box showing the word or sentence generated by the game app. Let's find the coding pattern for this blue box. Okay, this is the blue text box where the app will show the generated word or sentence. In Python, this blue box is called entry widget. The coding will insert a word or sentence to the blue text box, which is the entry widget, by using the define function called generate word. Let's find the define function of this generate word. As you can see, the function will read the text file on a certain row. For your information, row in Indonesia term is baris. This one. This baris or row is defined randomly by app. This is the coding for that. Let's go back to algorithm flowchart. As you can see, in the middle column is the logic of generating randomly the text file by the game. There are two text files as sources for the game generate or select a word or a sentence, i.e. a text file for word and a text file for a sentence. Let me open Windows Explorer to show you where I put these text files. I put them in a data folder. The game will choose text file based on the level of the game that player choose. Let's see the level in the interface. This is the radio button widget for finding the levels of difficulty. So back to the flowchart. As I said, the app will choose text files based on the level of the game that player choose. Then, after the app has chosen a word or a sentence, the define function will send the word or sentence to the main programs. Let me simulate the level selection on the app. This is level 1. As you see it will generate a word. If you want to find another word, then you can click Find button. Similarly, this is level 2. As you can see, it will generate a sentence. Yep, that is all how the app will generate a word or a sentence. Bye.